Are you looking for a well-built mobile stand for your new TV on a budget and don't want to spend an absurd amount of money? Look no further. The PERLESMITH PSTVMC05 mobile TV cart is an incredible value price stand while offering a tremendous amount of features and functions. I don't believe its price point can be beaten. Let's get right into its features. This PERLESMITH rolling TV stand fits most 32-inch to 70-inch TVs up to £100. In regards to the height adjustment, the wall mount plate and tray can be adjusted so you can easily choose the height you prefer to customise your viewing experience. Plus, the shelf can be assembled to hold your laptop, DVD player, gaming devices and so much more. This TV cart will save your mounting fee and avoid any wall damage. It can be installed in your home, office, gym, commercial area and so much more. You can move it anywhere. One floor TV stand meets multiple needs that you can move your TV from living room to bedroom and lying in the bed to enjoy the shows. There is a space saver and cable management option. This rolling TV stand frees up floor space and increases your living space. Plus, the hollow vertical tubes allow you to run all of your cords through it to keep everything organised and neat. After getting our brand new Hisense TV, we wanted to find a mobile stand that met the following criteria. The stand price needed to be less than $200. It needed to support the Hisense's 400mm by 300mm VESA mount configuration. It needed to be mobile and easy to move, well built, have a tray option to support an AV receiver or gaming consoles, and lastly, a camera shelf on top of the TV stand. So, first impressions. The packaging of the product didn't give us a warm and fuzzy feeling when it arrived. It looked as though it had been thrown around and was a bit torn up. I could hear the metal parts banging up against one another. However, once we took the parts out of the packaging and began assembling the unit, we began to feel reassured that this could work as we intended. So, the good. The stand does its job. We were looking for a sturdy stand to support the new 55-inch Hisense U8G TV. It must enable it to be mobile and have a fixed orientation. This checked all the boxes at an incredible price point. The wheel locks are solid enough to keep the 55-inch TV in its place, and the overall weight distribution is fairly balanced due to its wide leg base, and this helps when you need to move the TV. The stand does enable you to make height adjustments, but you must do this before putting the TV on the mount. The supplied tray provides enough space for an AV receiver, plus you can put a webcam on the top of the stand. Additionally, the primary steel tubes supporting the stand also serve as a cable management solution to ensure wires don't get too messy. So far, an incredible value mobile stand. The stands have been working well for us, and I have faith that they will serve their purpose for a long time to come. This also is a universal design that works with most LCD LED flat screen TVs. The stand easily mounts 32 to 70 inches that are under £100, while the shelf supports £22. Besides, the stand is pretty sturdy and easy to install. You can install it in under 30 minutes to an hour, so set some time aside for the installation. In addition, the TV cart can be adjusted from a height range of 63 inches to 78.7 inches. So, they're not so good. This incredible price point comes at the expense of several items or features. To list a few, the orientation of the display cannot be adjusted and can't be tilted downwards or upwards. The tray is also not of the best quality. Overall, it's a highly adjustable, extremely heavy duty unit that can hold a wide range of TVs and handle the heaviest of AV equipment securely whilst maintaining maximum flexibility of movement. The PERLESMITH mobile TV cart is a heavy duty cart that can hold most 32-inch to 70-inch televisions to a maximum weight of £100 and is VESA mount compatible. The middle shelving holds up to an impressive 22 pounds of equipment, and the high quality lockable wheel casters keep the car well in place regardless of how much weight is put upon them. The integrated cable management system is easy to use and keeps multiple cables tangle-free and out of sight better than most. The entire unit is on the heavier side compared to some others, and the included assembly tools could be better, but most will find it easy to put together. To wrap it up, this is a pretty versatile TV stand compatible with a wide array of TV brands. The stand comes with an instruction manual for immediate installation. It is a quality stand with an excellent build quality and customer service, so buy it with confidence. I highly recommend it. For the viewers that are here for how to install the stand, here is the step-by-step guide on how to do it. As always, thank you for checking our review. Also, if you are interested to learn more about this product, we provide the links down in the description below. If you like and found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a like, comment and subscribe. See you later.